Let's fix iPhone XS Face ID issues. In this case, it shows a problem with truedepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. First, remove Face ID part, which includes the front camera. Connect the Face ID to the Face ID tool. This tool will copy the Face ID data. Tool is connected to the computer software, which copies the Face ID serial and Face ID data. Face ID data is collected. Let's program the new chip, which is used with the new Face ID. Original Face ID data has been moved to this chip. Let's move the data now. This part is connected to the Face ID connector. Again, it's been connected to the tool for final program. It shows no errors and works great. Let's check with the phone. Let's check Face ID. No error message now. Set up Face ID. Face ID setup done. It works perfectly. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon.